My name is Nishikawa. I'm 100% Japanese. Yeah. So I've been here. Actually, this hotel was opened this year, May 19th. So I started this hotel, March 22. Actually, Kabukicho Shinjuku is a very exciting city in Tokyo. And then our owning company, which is Tokyo Corporation, used to have a land here. They had an open movie theater and then bowling alley in this area. And then they wanted to build those entertainment buildings. They decided to open two hotels. So one is lifestyle, then the other one is luxury. On top of the buildings, we have a 5 penthouse. We don't call it suite. Yeah, penthouse maybe bigger than suite. Yeah. So 5 penthouse from the 120 square meters to the 277 square meters, 5. So, and then we call it like a villa of the, like a heaven, right? On top of the sky. Yeah. It's not the highest, but one of the highest hotel located in the building. Yeah. From the young to the senior people, they enjoy from the daytime and from nighttime. Yeah. So something here, you just come here and then the all kind of age they can enjoy, from the food to the entertainment, drinking place. Yeah. Tokyo is very safe. We have 85 to 90% of the entire customers of the hotel guests from overseas. So only 10% or 15% from the domestic. And every day I just want to see the smiling face of the guest. Means they are satisfied.